So, hi Kylene. It's easy lang naman. You touch and hold lang this part no, for a few seconds. Tapos, ayan. Once na mag-blink na yan, it means it's on na. May maririnig ka rin sa tenga mo na it will say power on, ganyan. And then, once it's blinking, no, check mo sa cellphone mo or sa gadget mo, under Bluetooth devices, itong ating earphone. Usually, TWS yata ang nakalagay. Hindi ko lang ma-remember. Then, so once you see that, click mo tapos connect. Okay? So, the next time na mag-open ka ulit nito, it will automatically connect na sa inyong cellphone. Okay? Now, to turn this off naman, ganito lang din. Touch and hold mo lang siya for a few seconds dito. Okay? Tapos may maririnig ka ring voice prompt na magsasabi na powering off. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin patay na yan. Okay? So, yun lang. I hope this one helps, no? Again, thank you so much for watching my video, ha? And for communicating.